What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia, and today I have an epic closet transformation for you guys. My in-laws recently just moved into a new place, and I was helping them out with organizing my father-in-law's closet. As you can see, there is a ton of clothes and things everywhere, so we have a lot of work that needs to get done. I decided to start off by vacuuming the floors, because I didn't want to wait until after the clothes were already in the closet to vacuum. I figured this was the best time to start doing that. And then as I was vacuuming, I also realized there was a bunch of like dust on the baseboard. So I went in with a dryer sheet to wipe all of that stuff down.
If I want, let yourself be free, and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it, you can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. You don't have to hide it, baby, let your head down, be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better.
So now that we have the closet all prepped and cleaned and ready to put all of the clothes away, this is honestly the hardest part, trying to organize everything. There were piles upon piles of clothes. So I wanted to start off by putting like-minded things together, and I really wanted to organize the closet that way by putting all of the button-up shirts together, all of his polos together, hats, you know, all of that kind of stuff. So that is basically what I'm going through and doing. I'm looking for all of his button-ups, and then when I got everything in one section, I was then starting to color coordinate everything to make things a lot easier when he's getting dressed in the morning.
Better balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together?
When it comes to organizing, it's always trial and error. You have to figure out what is going to work best for the space. So I started off by putting the jackets hanging up in that corner, and then I realized that there were too many jackets that weren't going to fit there. So I ended up moving things around as I was organizing and cleaning everything. So don't get discouraged. I know it can seem like it's a lot, but just move things around. Try and see what is going to work best for you.
Wake up at mine. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together?
So I decided to put all of his dress pants in this corner right here. I wanted to make sure that they hung up nice and neat, and I really didn't want to fold them because I just felt like hanging them straight on was going to be the better fit. Plus, all of his dress shirts and blazers were also to the right of that, so it would make getting dressed in the morning a whole lot easier.
I've been waiting all my life for something. I've been down the darkest roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing.
I love helping people organize their space. I always am up for the challenge to try and figure out a way to make everything all neat and organized. And of course, I have my little helper right here helping me out as she's picking up everything and bringing it into the closet so I can organize.
Now all I have to do is to make it mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. I've been waiting for the one forever. Finally, I got you, baby, here in my heart. When I'm with you, I feel so much better.
This larger black bag was a bunch of clothes that we were giving away to the Goodwill, but I wanted to get that out of the way as I started to work my way around the room.
You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make it mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Follow your heart, baby, don't be shy. Just follow yours and I'll follow mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me. 'Cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Something good. Something good. We're not okay. I look into your eyes and see you fade away. But we're not the same. It's like we're on two sides of the
All of the clothes that were in the corner on the chair didn't have any hangers, so I was a little bit scared that we weren't going to have enough to hang everything, but I feel as if I had maybe like 1 or 2 hangers left at the very end.
When I lose myself to love. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. Yeah, I just wanna lose my breath. is supposed to feel. Oh, and I can see there are different paths laid out for you and me. 'Cause baby, I'm a true believer, and I wanna stay true.
There was this little cubby thing hanging in the corner, and we had some extra room in the closet, so I was trying to take as much stuff out of here as possible so I can organize it and put it in the closet. These cubby things really came in handy. If you guys are new here, I always like to reuse what is already there. I really want to show how you can be resourceful and you don't have to always go out and buy new things. Use what you already have. So the fact that the old homeowners actually left this here, I figured this was the perfect space to put any of his pajamas or long sleeve shirts that don't really need to be hung, but they could go into a drawer or they could just go right in here in the closet. And this is the finished look, a long ways from where we started. I absolutely love how everything turned out. He was so grateful for all of the work that I had put in. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Do you really feel as if this was a true transformation? All right, guys, so here is the finished look. So I tried to make the entire closet kind of flow nicely, and I did my best to color coordinate all of the clothes. You all know I like to do that. So down here at the bottom are going to be, you know, more of the casual button-ups over here, and then we move over to polos, and then we move over to like suit jackets. Up at the top is going to be all of your nicer button-ups, things you would wear to church, all of that kind of stuff. And like I said, I did my best to color coordinate as much as possible. Then we have all of the belts and ties and all of that kind of stuff. And then we move over to dress pants, and then we go to casual pants. And then over here in this corner is going to be longer jackets, things like that for the winter time. And then here is going to be where all of your regular puffy, shorter coats go. And then to make things easier, up at the top, I put all of the scarves, gloves, and hats that you would need for the winter as well. Moving on over to this side of the closet, up there is just extra stuff. That's an extra comforter, all of his hats, and then down here, just some yoga mats because we didn't have to worry about anything hanging here. And then up at the top, I did do a quick switch around. So these are going to be more of like your thicker sweaters, all of that kind of stuff that I put up here. And then down at the bottom is more of like zip ups, very casual kind of things. They did have this piece right here for all of the shoes, and any extra shoes, I put the boxes there and then some of the extra shoes on top. And then the people who moved out had left this kind of thing in here, so I figured this is the perfect place to put all of your sweatpants, lounge clothes, all of that kind of stuff, and any of your long sleeve t-shirts.